only have your thermodynamics one, Hishma. Did you send the assignment?
No, sir, I didn't.
Okay. Who sent the assignment?
Sir, I did.
Mariam. नहीं है लेकिन आपका असाइनमेंट तो मेरे पास
Sir, I sent.
नहीं नहीं होगा हो नहीं ओके ओके इट्स नॉट दैट आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट आपने नहीं भेजा है आई एम सेइंग दैट इट हैज नॉट रीच्ड मी ओके सो नो प्रॉब्लम you have the questions and what we can do, we can choose the parent also, right? And we can number it correctly, है ना? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So 5.45, or I mean those who have not sent and who have not done, they can also do here. Yes, Samaira and Hishma, है ना? Okay, so let us start with the first one.
Sir,
हाँ, tell me,
I
Mariam.
have different questions. Not this
ऐसे
one.
ऐसे कैसे भाई? Which questions do you have? Hmm?
Sir, I don't know. It's similar to this one, but it asks like name the parent chains.
ये पहले वाले का होगा फिर आपका.
Yes, sir. I think that one.
It is not there. It is not here right now. Anything in the chat? Maybe I think it is there in my clipboard. Wait a second. Are these questions? I think so. No, not these. Wait a second. These?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा लेकिन we तो did this one ना? हाँ?
Sir, I don't know. I saw it in the assignment, so I did them.
अच्छा you did those. Okay. Me अच्छा. एक तो ये हो रहा ना, you are C batch. Okay. And like I confuse you with the B batch. Okay. I don't know why it is happening, because you're C batch, so obviously you should be a bit late in the syllabus, but it is not like that. You're fast, I mean. So you are ahead in the syllabus than the B batch. So I may have confused you. Rather than sending the assignment to the B batch, I would have asked them to send to the C batch. Okay. So let's try this one then. Okay. For each of the following compounds, choose the parent chain and number it correctly. We have done numbering also, na? Hai ki nahi? We did numbering, na, in the last lecture.
Yes, sir. We did half of it.
Okay. Huh. Till here we did. Okay, fine. Numbering. No. We had done numbering. Okay, yeah, we have done numbering. Okay. So let us start with the 5.45. Tell me the parent chain. Terminal, na? We'll start with terminal. How many terminals? A, B, C, and D. Where should I start from?
C. I mean B.
C, B, na? B. Okay. Now tell me, where should I go? Right or left?
Right.
Right.
Right. Okay. Now tell me, where should I go? Right or up?
Up.
Up. And now, so we have B and D. So where should I start the numbering from? B or D?
B.
Okay. So you have to see this, na? The numbering starts from the carbon which is nearest to the following in order. So you have to see the functional group. If it is near, then you have to start from there. If not, then double. If not, then triple. If not, then substituent. So see, here you have a triple bond, right? So where you have to start, it will be determined by the triple bond. So nearest to triple bond is B. So I will start with B, okay? So we'll start with 1. You got it, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Hai. Here triple bond is determining where you are starting from. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now here tell me A, B, and C.
A.
A. Up or right?
Up.
Up. Okay. Where should I start numbering from? A or B?
A.
Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. So this one we have done. Now in 4.58, we have, this is a terminal A, B, and C. Now tell me, where should I start from?
A.
A, na? Functional group. Very good. So up or right?
Right.
Right.
Right, hai na? Towards double bond. Very good. Now here, what will determine? The functional group will determine the numbering, or the double bond will determine the numbering?
Functional group.
Group.
Functional group, na? Very good. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yes. Now here, tell me. Here I have, I mean, I hope you can see that. I mean, ज़्यादा terminal वगैरह करने की जरूरत नहीं है. You can see this is the longest chain, right? Because we don't have any functional group or a unsaturation, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now here, what will determine? The substituents will determine the numbering. So I will start from 1 only because I will start with A because A is the terminal which is nearest to the substituent, right?
Yes, sir.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what about here? So I'm choosing the parent chain. Okay. I hope you will agree with the parent chain. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now here you tell me what will determine the numbering?
Triple bond.
Triple bond.
Triple bond. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay. See, the reverse can also be true. Okay. The reverse can also be true. It is just that, what should I say? IUPAC nomenclature rules, now they are not very much rigid. Okay, they are not very much rigid. As the time passed, they have tried to include a few more things. So here, both the substituent and alkyl group, you can name it in that way. Okay, so now the IUPAC nomenclature, they are not very rigid, but for us, we have some rules and we will only follow those rules. We will not get confused. We have said that functional group, then double bond, then triple bond, then that is one of the correct ways of numbering. One of the correct ways of numbering. Okay. So let me see. If I write the name of this particular molecule, so this will be E, functional group is E, the unsaturation is YN, and then I have what? The parent is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is hept, correct? This is hept. And after that, we have 2 methyl groups. So we have dimethyl. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Dimethyl. Now, if I want to give the numbers to all of them, so this will be 6, 6. Parent does not get any name, sorry, any number. Ion is what? 3, and E is E. So this is 6, 6 dimethyl hept 3 ion, correct? Yes or no? I have written it rightly now. I did not do any mistake, I hope. 6, 6 dimethyl hept 3 ion. So let me just 6, 6 dimethyl. Then there is hept, hept 3 ion. Hept. Okay, let me share the screen for you guys. Can you see this is the same molecule? Can you make that out? Or no? Array. Can you see this is the same molecule?
Yes.
You can make it out now. So what did we draw? We draw it something like that. I forgot even how did we draw it. 1, 2, 3. We had 2 carbons here. So as you can see, there are 2 carbons. If you this is 1. Now these are the substituent. So they have numbered from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So this is also one of the right methods to number it. Okay. So just don't get confused. If you see somewhere that they are giving substituent the authority to determine the numbering. Okay, but we will be using functional group, double bond, triple bond, and then substituent. Okay, our priority will be this as we have written. Okay, now 5.51. Where should I start from? A or B? A. Na? I'm choosing. We are now choosing A because this A has. There are two substituents here. Okay, so we are choosing A from here. So we will write 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Now let us see here. Okay, where should I start from? A or B? I hope you know what A and B are.
B.
B, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay. Now here, tell me, where should I start from? A or B? B here also B. Very good.
B.
So 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay. Now I'm going to give you guys. Now you are very much eligible to write the names, right? Wait a second. Let me give you guys questions. I don't want to write it. I have some questions. Yeah. Okay, so you write the question. You have to name the following compounds. It is written that ignore the stereocenters. That means you don't have to consider the stereochemistry as of now. Okay. So maybe you can cut this line. You don't need this because you don't know what are stereocenters. I'm really sorry. I don't know what happened to my OneNote. It abruptly. Okay. Can you see this? Okay, no, you can't see this because I have not shared it. I've just opened my OneNote in my machine. Yeah. Draw the structures properly. Okay. Draw one structure, name it, and then send the name to me. Okay. Send the name to me. I hope you guys are doing okay. What happened? Hishma, Mariam, Samaira, एक नहीं हुआ आपसे अभी तक? हाँ Hishma, are you done with the first one?
Yes, I'm writing the name.
अच्छा, wait a second, you are done now? Don't write. Mariam,
Yes, sir.
Sir, actually, I sent to the wrong person.
you are done with the first one?
No, sir.
Wrong person. You are not done?
No, sir.
अच्छा, are you stuck?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, fine, no problem. No, question was here. Just fine. So tell me, functional group. Oh, is my voice fine or is it breaking? Is it
Sir,
lagging?
it was
Is it fine?
breaking before.
This now?
It's still breaking.
It is still breaking. Okay. That's very important because this is in our class. Yeah, what about now? Is it still breaking? I think it is. Yes, hello. What about now? Is it good? Yes,
Yes, sir.
Hishma, it's good now. It's better. Okay. So now tell me, guys, all of you, please, okay? Please keep the mic on and tell me what is the functional group in this one?
E.
E, very good. The unsaturation?
A-N.
EN.
En, na? En double bond, En.
Yes, sir. A-N.
Okay. Now parent. So we have, okay, I hope you guys took this as parent. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So how many carbon? 8, I think.
8.
1. Okay. Now let us also number this now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, right? Parent is oct. Okay. Now we have substituent. How many substituents are there? 2 now. There two substitute, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Please say yes or no. Na two substituent. What is the first substituent? Here it's ethyl. No. This one is ethyl.
Yes, sir.
This is methyl.
Methyl.
Correct. So ethyl is in the fourth position. So I will write 4 ethyl, 5 methyl. Correct. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And En is in which position? Second position, right? Second carbon. Okay. So for double bond, you have 2 carbon which has double bonds, but you will take the one which has lower number. Now you will tell me where will I start from? We'll start from ethyl because E is what? We'll write the substituent first now. So we'll write 4 ethyl, 5 methyl, 4 ethyl, 5 methyl, then oct, no space, then 2 ene. Just tell me, did you write this much or not?
Yes, sir.
Were you able to write all these? Mariam, okay. Hishma, what about you?
So the
Hishma,
substituent I wrote wrong.
you wrote substituent wrong. Numbering, ठीक किया आपने?
Yes, sir, numbering.
Okay. What about Samaira? Did you write these, Samaira?
No, I didn't write the substituent.
And the substituent नहीं लिखा आपने. Okay, fine. For this one, you will write the substituents. Okay. Please write one question at a time. Okay. आप ऐसे list मत बना लीजिए because see, as you can see that this is important. Okay, this is important. If you do mistake here, then it is problematic because I have to explain the concepts. But if you are doing mistake from writing from here to here, then it is new. You are obviously you will be making some mistakes right now, but that can be cleared. Okay. So please write this one correctly. Okay. I will be not asking you the name. I will be rather asking you these things: functional group, unsaturation, parent, substituent. Okay. So write these one only. Don't worry about the name. I will write you the name. Okay. 5.56 कीजिए उसके बाद बताइए. Let me know if you're done. Okay.
Done, sir.
हाँ अरे भाई साहब बैठे हुए रहने क्या आप लोग बिल्कुल
Sir, I was
करके
doing the names.
बता नहीं. अच्छा फाइन. Don't do the name. Don't do the name. What about Hishma, Mariam? Hishma, are you done? Okay, so I think Mariam is done. Samaira,
Answer.
done. Okay. Oh. So tell me functional group.
All.
All.
Okay, fine. All. Wait a second. What should I do now? I should. Yeah. After the unsaturation, right? Unsat.
AN.
Then the parent.
No.
Oh.
This one.
Yes. Sir.
Let us also do the numbering now. Where should I start numbering from? A or B?
A.
A, very good. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. There are 9, na?
Yes.
I hope. Okay. Now the substituent. So see, this OH is also done. We have named this OH also. Okay, this is not substituent. What is the substituent?
4-ethyl.
Very good. 4-ethyl. है ना? 4-ethyl. So 4-ethyl, non, and then in, and then ol is in third position. So 3 ol you have to write. So you write 4-ethyl. Then nonane, 3 ol. Easy.
Sir, your voice is breaking again.
My voice is breaking. Oh, may not be able to take the class because na at subah se there was no electricity here, and I think people have just closed off the internet. Tell me now, na is it still breaking? Hello?
No, sir.
No, it is fine now. Okay. Now let us look at this one. Tell me functional group.
E.
Functional group.
E.
E. Unsaturation.
I.
YN. Yeah, I. And parent. Where should I start from? A, B, or C? Where should I start from? A, B.
A.
Now where I number? Where should I start numbering from?
A.
It's not good, no? Internet. Wait a second. Is it still lagging my voice?
Yes, sir.
Mhm. Parent. Hello, guys, hear me? Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. But if I share my screen, what about now? Hello,
Yes, sir.
can you? Is it lag in my voice? Are you hearing it late?
Sir, your voice is lagging.
Lagging. Okay. Hope you can see my screen. I don't know.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Okay.
Done.